Hi, I'm Tanya Shooting with Keller Williams Realty at 9314 Evan Way in the Palmetto Point community. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home conveniently located down the street from Pritchardville Elementary School and the May River Crossing Center. Come take a look inside. You're greeted with a formal dining room or flex space, open floor plan, the living room features a gas fireplace, large kitchen with stainless steel appliances, massive pantry, down the hall is the powder room, upstairs are all 3 bedrooms and a good-sized loft for perfect entertaining space. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.